the Red Bull cockchair game, you know. We have seen the crates crates and shits come from Helmut Markot's glass eye, Verstappen, Vettel, Weber, Ricardo, Kvyat, his shit, uh, something like that within the lines. Jean-Eric Verne, Sebastian Buemi, something like that. Who knows? Hell, half of the grid is, I think, ex Red Bull, or somewhere I've seen that graphic that most of them have started their careers in Red Bulls. But they switch their drivers like it's not. Destroy carriers in an instant because Helmut does not like as soon where they are when they're nowhere. You know, P20, P19, P18. You know, if someone else was in those places, they'd be kicked out instantly. Other than Lawson. Let's be honest, I don't know. We are 2 races into the 2025 season where we have seen Toro Rossos do better than one of the Red Bull drivers. I think you can guess who. Slowson, Lawson, whatever the fuck. Mister, I'm not here to make friends. I'm here to win. Do you know how fucking corny that sounds? That is like, Jesus fucking Christ. Mate, you do know what you really are. Let me tell you something. You are an arrogant piece of shit because you think you rule the world like that, and you're the only person that is like my queen because you're nothing but a child. There's nothing likable about you that makes you so redeemable. I think you're less likable than Stroll at this point. How are you less likable than the window licker who's been in the sport for many years? Hello. Change your mindset, my guy. Don't say outrageous comments. Don't be a narcissist. Don't be a self-loving prick. Well, you can self-love, but you don't be a prick about it. But I beat him in F3. I beat Yuki in F3. Fucking hell, man. No one cares. You beat him in F3. It was 6 years ago, my guy. 6 years ago. 6 years ago. I was still 6 years ago was 2019. Do you know what else happened in 2019? I don't know. This happened in 2019. Nothing. Thanos happened. Endgame happened. Marvelous Water at peak in 2019. F1 was also at their peak in 2019. Shit happened in 2019. A lot of shit happened in 2019. COVID happened in 2019 in December, to be honest, but something like that. Who cares? 2019. It was 6 years ago. Well done, Lawson. You know how to be something, I guess. You're nothing. You're meaningless to us. He makes me so angry because how annoying he is. Like, dude, just if you beat Yuki in F3, just beat him in F1. That's where it matters right now. If you can't do that, I think it's over for you, bro. Just give it up, give up. Go watch TikToks. Go watch Skippity Gang. Go back to where you came from, New Zealander. Jesus Christ, no one likes you. That scene, Twitter has seen it, everyone has seen it. Sure, I got a bit sidetracked there. As well, one does get sidetracked with Lawson, you know. He's so annoying. Anyways, as I was saying, they're already reporting a replacement for Lawson in Yuki, I mean, in Japan, which is great. We love to see it. Yuki has done well, except those times where the team decides to troll. Only race where Yuki has gotten points was in a race where the team didn't have to interfere with strategy. Crazy, right? Yuki's doing amazing. I loved it. Everyone loved it. But they're replacing Lawson completely with Chad Pinto. There, my goodness, he's getting kicked out of F1. My goodness, holy crap! Everyone likes that. I think maybe who knows? They're taking Yuki's Minardi seat. Colapinto is taking Yuki's Minardi seat for this. Think about it. Think about it. How great that is. We'll finally see the chatness in him back. He was so great. I loved it. Everyone loved it. And Lawson is out. Everyone, I think, also loves that, you know? I miss him already. Anyways. But then I hear, what about if Yuki fumbles in that F1 car the same way Lawson did, Sergio Perez did? Then I owe an apology to Sergio, not Lawson. I found a tweet. Let me find it for you, my friends. Well, a tweet. Let's open it. Maybe I tweeted to Sergio Perez apology. Let's just instantly do this, because I found this and I wanted to do this. Will Lee date 23.3.2025, something like that. The reason for my behavior, or okay. Sure, I don't know. Yeah, I think I was jealous of him and his good looks. No, not really. I don't know Formula 1 clearly. The media convinced me. I was not here to blame. The media has convinced me he was bad, not me. And I will hereby respect Sergio Perez, and I will not something like that. I don't. Yeah. There we go. It's done. Are you happy now, people? It's done. It's done. Red Bull's brand image is with the driver, champion to be exact. It means more than the constructors, you know. They wanna make money, obviously, but for brand image, drivers is more important. And so obviously they will make cars that Max can get everything out of, instead of being balanced per se to both drivers. And happens. I don't expect anyone to be as good as Max is, you know. But we will see in Japan if that happens to be true. And you know what else I found this week? Isaac Hatcher had a league racing career in 2018 to 19. He was quote unquote dirty rat kid from those times. Crazy. Imagine. That's all I gotta say. You know, more of a rant than anything. I love ranting. Just like someone who made a 40-minute video about someone named the Lance Stroll. I think we all know what that is. I especially do know. Hopefully I'm rambling at this point. Have a great